books. They will always help you. Learn, learn, learn about many things. Get lots of knowledge. Chew! Books are your friends. You should treat them well.
Don't tear its precious pages.
No.
It hurts them, I can tell. Ideas came from books and they make you smart.
What are you waiting for? Come on, let's start.
Read!
Read, 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 read many books. They will always help you. Learn, learn, learn about many things. Get lots of knowledge.